device has to connect in a network to form a network. That's called as topology. Makes sense. What's your understanding on nodes and links? Why we need nodes is what?
Nodes is connecting the network interconnection. This is called as a nodes, I think.
No, those are called as links, transmission media. Those are called as cables or connectors. They are called as links. What is meant by node?
Node is pairing the device.
No. Node is nothing but a device. That is a connection point. See, network device, which is an end point. End point का मतलब कैसे रह गया? See, I want to connect. 1 minute. Ethernet versus wireless. This is a one computer, one laptop, one BYOD device. Okay, each are connecting to one point to the another point. This is called as a link. This is called as a node. Connection
Device
point.
itself.
You want to connect the link, but where you are connecting, you need one end point, one starting point, one ending point. That device itself called as a node. You know the point, you know the understanding, but only you need to remember the terminology. Node is nothing but a device. Link is nothing but a transmission.
Connectivity, transmission.
Cable connectors. So speed of computer measured in Mbps. See, you can see in a typical home network, your computer, smartphone, router are all act as a nodes in the network. Okay, next. Types of network topology. I have named here 2. Can you just remember? Can you just recall it? Whichever you remember it.
Point to point. Connecting between two us. Connecting two or three devices. It is called as a point.
Point to point. One best example.
If you want to connect two computers each other.
On which scenario we will connect two computers?
To share files, something.
Share files. Then I can share through USB pen drive. Why I need a network device? In the home, you are using one computer. You are using one printer. You are connecting printer to the. This is also one node. This is also one node. See, this is called as point to point. One point to another point. Simple. Don't make complexity. So you like point to point. What is the means? One point to another point. That's what point to point. One point to another. That's called a single node. You can see here single node topology. Single node. Single node means one node is connected to one more node. This is a node is nothing but this is one also connection point. This is also one connection point. Computer is connected to printer. That's one node. As you said, there one right example called as you are using two computers. You are connected to each other to build to share the file. This is also one node. And the same way, both printers are connected to the printer. That where the printer has been shared between two computers. You can print from second printer. You can print from first printer. This is also node to node, or single node, or point to point. Bus topology, where it is used.
Bus topology is it is like used in the company. Many network, many PCs are connected to interconnected.
How? Example.
It is like same like a printer, sharing folder.
See, simple example is it's like you can see a desk where the computers are connected. One side computer, 3 computers, other side 3 computers connected. This is formation. This is the design form is a bus form. This is a bus form itself. No? How does it usually bus? Let's give an example. Bus picture का कैसा रहेगा? ऐसा रहेगा. Okay? इसको 2 टायर रहेंगे. ठीक है? Same way it is. This is a single line. ये single line है. This is nothing but a cable. This is connected to the computers. Desk, you can find the desk On the one side 3 computers, other side 3, or one side 2, another 2. The design of that network is bus topology. This is what the picture. Bus topology is a major use only in LAN, CAN, and PAN, means personal area network. Ring topology. How does it work? What's your understanding on ring topology?
Ring topology.
Don't complicate. Sorry. Topology is nothing but a design of network. The design of network in the form of ring. That's a ring topology.
Uh,
This is the ring topology. How the communication, it can go with the clockwise
Clockwise.
or it can go with the anti-clockwise. Any direction it can go.
Okay.
Computer 1 to computer 2, computer 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Now, what is the advantage of the bus and what is the role of the this one? This is a bus topology where the single network cable is connected. That's called as backbone cable. This is connected like this. 1, 2, 3,
Or
4. Okay. Now, if this network cable itself broken, means communication stopped. Ah,
entire network will not work.
that's what. But here in the ring also same way. If this ring is nothing but it is a cable. This ring is nothing itself a cable. It's in this ring form. In the
Only
circle
form is
form.
different.
Where you will find this ring form? Can you see this conference room? Conference room. How it is? It's in the some are in the circle, some are in the square.
Uh,
Video conferencing. Somewhere the projector has been placed here, like this. Conference room. If you are seeing that, you can see it like conference room. I'll say show the picture. That should be it. Conference room. This is the conference room. Here the projector has been placed. This is in the square form. Ring form, in the circle form. Instead of square, it's in the ring. See, this is the conference room. Where see each side one computer can see.
yes.
So this is the ring form. The computers are organized in circle form. That's called as ring topology. Our device is
Okay.
connected in the form of ring form. If this cable got broken, the entire communication stopped. That's the reason there is a one more option called as dual ring technology, dual ring topology. Where is one more cable they will keep it as a
It
backup.
is a backup.
One cable broken, another from another cable, it will do a transmission.
Okay.
And each data is divided into smaller tokens. You can see the tokens. Say I think there is a game called as ball passing game where one person is holding a game. The music will be playing in the back end.
And it stop, it will
He will be out.
out.
Means same way ball passing, same mechanism here fall. Here instead of ball they will say like a token passing mechanism. The data is smaller, divided into smaller pieces. Those are called as tokens. And token will be transferred from one computer to another computer. Divided into smaller parts. Data into smaller units are called as tokens. Token will have the one label. In the bank also we are using token number 1, token number 15. He will reach the direct to that token. That token has their own address. Now star topology and tree topology. What is the understanding?
I-
Star topology.
It's star topology.
It is in the form of star.
Star.
That's it. In the star topology, one advantage what will happen is there is a one centralized device. There is a one centralized computer connected that we can call it as
Server.
so these are called as
Client.
clients. Each
Which
are
is connected to server.
connected to each other in the client. The same one I will draw like this. On centralized device. Okay. Instead of giving this direct line, I'll form a picture like a star form. Like how that. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Simple say that computers are formed in the form of star where the uh, centralized device is connected called as server to which client computers are connected for data transfer. And what is the advantage of star topology over ring topology?
It is connected to the server and interconnected.
If server gone means entire data gone. As we remember, if server goes down, we can't do any ATM transaction, we can't do any like online booking, those things that we know it. But if the client one and server line broken, does it stop to the communication with other computers? No.
Sir,
Yes. Tell me.
uh,
अभी देखिए क्लाइंट वन का सर्वर लाइन का लाइन ब्रेकअप हो गया है. It has this line has been broken. Does it affecting other computers to communicate? Does it blocking? No. This is only
no.
between client one and server. But however, server can communicate with second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. In ring topology, what happens? This is in the ring form. The ring itself broken down means it cannot make any communication with any device.
Yes, yes.
Because it has to go in the one order wise.
Yes.
Suppose one more example is suppose you have a like a multi-line roads. Okay. You are traveling by vehicle. Okay. If this line has broken, the road has broken, or like there is some work is going on, will it stopping you to move from here, or you can travel from here? No, you can still travel. That's how the star topology works. Stopping of one communication doesn't make you to stop the other communication. If this line has broken, no problem. Only the problem is issue with only client one and cannot communicate with the server one. But server can communicate with client two, and client two also can communicate with server. For example, somewhere you will hear the example. Consider or like in the outside the ATM counter, they will give some message that this ATM is out of service. What does it mean?
Only that ATM is out of service, not entire.
Perfect. That is how the client and server technology. If this ATM doesn't work, that's fine. Still, the server can connect with other ATM. That is not the difference between client and server. If one line broken, that's fine. Only the issue with that line, but still we can take a money from the different ATM. Makes sense. Now, what is meant by tree topology?
It is working as a trees.
Tree form. Tree form means what? Tree form. Okay, I'll draw the picture now. Like this. This is the tree form. Similar way. It's a combination of bus and star topology. This is the bus topology. Okay. This is one network. And star topology. I'll take the copy paste this one. 1 minute. 1 minute, guy. 1 minute. Okay. Sorry. So this is the tree topology. This is the star topology. Okay. This star is connected to the one more star. This is in the form of trees. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
It has the both. It will give both functional bus and star topology. Now, what is meant by mesh topology?
Mesh topology.
Mesh topology. Similar way, star, it's a combination of two technologies. That is called as star and ring. Together called as mesh topology. So this is the ring or this is the star. Okay. Over the star, a ring has been formed. This become a mesh topology. We can give one more like simple answer. Um, okay. All are formed in circle. Okay. The now shape become oval. Don't take it wrong. It's a circle. Consider mesh topology means it can communicate this one. It can connect to this one. It can connect to this one. It can connect to this one. Again, this device
It is
can
a,
connect to this one,
it,
this one, this one, this one. Sorry. Yes. Tell me.
no, the mesh topology is totally, it is included to all topology, I think.
Not that's a hybrid topology you are talking. Mesh is a combination of star and ring.
Okay.
Whatever you are saying, that's a hybrid topology. Here it comes. Combination of all types of topologies. It may be single to single, it's a point to point, or like a centralized device, like a router switch is connected. That's called as client and server, where centralized one router is connected to the multiple computers, or switch is connected to multiple computers. Hub is connected to multiple computers. Combination of star, ring, bush, or point-to-point topology. Combination in the company we are using a hybrid topology. As here I given an example: university campus network. In the library, it may be like a ring topology, or it may be a point-to-point topology, because only librarian is maintaining one single computer with one printer. He doesn't, and any person who is reading or coming for a books, he won't look into the any books, any of the computers. So librarian is maintaining his own server software, one software called as library software, where he will record all the books status, and he will connect one external one printer. So there's only point-to-point topology forms. However, in the office where the transaction is takes place, either they will maintain a ring topology or the star topology. Ring is nowhere else. Okay, let's consider it's like they will go with the star topology. In the lab, it may be like a, if the engineering college is there's an engineering department will be there. If the medical means medical department. So each they in the staff room they will be maintaining like only like point to point, or there may be like a bus topology. So it's a combination of different topologies together called as hybrid. Hybrid is like a complex technology.
Okay.
Mesh is only the combination of star and, see here you can, the picture shows like a star form. First computer can connect to the other 5 computers. Second computer can connect to the other 5 computers. So every computer will form a one connection line. So all together, when they will connect each other, then it forms like a star form. But however, there is no centralized device here.
Okay.
It's a, you can say, like a multi-point connections. In the rest of you are not finding here centralized device, but still they are each able to communicate with one another. It will give a more fault tolerance compared to the ring topology. What do you mean by fault tolerance?
Fault tolerance.
If fault happens, it can manage it. That's what it says.
Uh,
System ability to continue operating despite failures or malfunctions.
okay.
Mesh topology we are not using in the real world. We are using only in the security system. Like because it provides more security, so we are using only military or aircraft navigation systems.
Okay.
Now, why network topology is required? Here there is some explanation. Performance point of view, reliability, expansion, of course. And now the campus network is covered the 5 kilometers. Now one more campus they are building it. So ultimately one more topology comes. So again, existing network will be added together with multiple devices, multiple computers. So what will happen? Expansion takes place. Of course, your point is right. Of course, when you are building and planning a network, so topology is required. Of course, security also we should ensure so that data should not breach. Performance nothing but one line broken down. Still, it should show the fault tolerance. That comes under performance. Reliability, easy to use. If one line breaks up, still we can work as like another backup line. At the same time, it should show the speed also. Network, see, you can see one network is suppose if I am using a geo network and my one more colleague is also using one more geo network, still we can get a same speed, like a reliable speed. Now summary points. Hybrid topology, what you are saying, that's correct. Of course it will give more strength, but at the same time it will ensure the more complexity. Cheapest and the best way is, simplest way is a bus topology. And
Mhm.
whatever you gave the definition is right.